Let me describe to you, explain to you what happens when you have a CMOS battery that is dying. So I'm just turning this laptop on. This is a HP laptop. There we go. The CMOS checksum is invalid. This CMOS will be reset to the default configuration. CMOS Reset 502. Reboot the system. So this is coming on when I turn the computer on every few hours once it's been turned off for a while, and the time will be displayed as the incorrect time. So this definitely needs to be definitely needs to be replaced. So I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so let's have a look at this laptop that has the CMOS battery. Try and replace the CMOS battery. If I just take out the top, the palm rest and the keyboard. Also have to take out the screws at the top here. So this is just a HP laptop, but it's the same thing. Usually the CMOS battery is usually on the underneath the motherboard from your laptop when it's done on laptop. And the desktop usually are placed up on the top. It's like a CMOS battery is like a watch, like a large watch battery. It's CR2032. That's usually the code of the battery. So you usually have to take the motherboard out and then unscrew it from the base so that you can turn the motherboard over and reveal where the CMOS battery is. So every laptop has a different combination of screws and wires you've got to remove. Take out the Wi-Fi battery as well. Sorry, the Wi-Fi card as well, because that'll be holding down the motherboard where it's connected to the motherboard. Take that out. We're almost there now. Disconnect this piece here. So your laptop might be a bit different. These two things, I'll take this out as well. And also take out the display cable. Also the power ports, I can take that out, but I might be able to get away with that one. So as you can see, so here is the motherboard, the CMOS battery. So CMOS battery there, as you can see. What we're going to do with that then now, we can what I'm going to do, I want to try and remove that. So I'm going to try and use a plastic tool as opposed to a metal tool, so it's resistant from a static shock. There we go. So all you got to do, get something between those, between the battery and the container, and remove that. So now I'm going to replace that with my new CMOS battery. And the way you put that in is you put the plus sign, you put it that way up, and the round, where you see it round, the circular perimeter there, place that down. So round circle down, and you did just put it in the way that the original was. So plug it in there. And that should be a new battery. That's a brand new battery, that is. You can pack up for about £2-3. Very, very, very cheap. And that's it. So I'm just going to do this back up. So now if I go to my Windows now and I go to my date and time, it's obviously still the wrong time, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to change that. So if I had to do that, what I do, I'm going to go to adjust, right click on the time and clock and click on adjust date and time. And what you want to do is you want to set time automatically to turn off and turn on. And also do this set time zone automatically. And turn that back off again. Leave that on, sorry. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this has helped you a lot. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Feel free to comment, and keep posted for more future videos on computers. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.